And now for a sour so good that 2 countries actually argue over it. Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Pisco Sour. Now the Pisco Sour and Pisco itself, which is actually right here, is a distilled spirit made from grapes, actually. And the argument is, was it created first in Chile, or in Peru? The actual answer, who knows? The Pisco Sour was created by bartender Victor Morris in his Lima bar, perhaps in the 1920s. This is very much like the whiskey sour or other egg white sour cocktails. It's just that instead of utilizing lemon, we're going to be utilizing lime. But we're going to follow a lot of the same things. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'll put this off to the side because we'll need it in a minute. This is, of course, a shaken cocktail. Grab your shaker. To this, I'm going to go ahead and slice up a lime. Now I need an ounce of lime juice. And now I need simple syrup. The recipe I'm utilizing says to have half an ounce. I like my cocktails a little sweeter. I'm going to go 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And now for the namesake, I need Pisco. 2 ounces of Pisco. And now I'm going to swap the tins. Now if I mess up, I can just rinse this out and I'm good, because I need an egg white. Add your cocktail in. Center your tins to the best of your ability. Give it a pop. Dry shake, be careful. Want to froth up that egg. And of course, grab your ice. Ice in. Make sure we're good. Add this. Pop. Soft shakes to begin. Go. Good. Grab yourself a large coupe, sour glass, something that's going to take the extra volume. Hawthorn in, and of course, strain. For garnish, I'm going to use some Angostura bitters. You could do like lemon bitters or another bitters on top. Completely up to you. Me, I'm doing Angostura because it's traditional for most whiskey sours. Not all, much like the one which I make that I use Peychaud's for. But also, notice the dash dart. This helps because with your normal tops on bitters bottles, you sometimes just let out half a dash before you actually want to dash. So that's why I'm using these. I'm just going to a couple drops in, and this is a Pisco Sour. Cheers. It's fruity. It's slightly sweet, fruity, and not just because of the lime. No, the Pisco itself is pretty fruity. The overall complexity of the dish. You know, you have a bit of a tart, a bit of a sweet. It's silky. It's a nice cocktail. I'm in awe about this. For having a spirit for the first time, go and try it. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and also share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They're Amazon affiliate links, by the way. Which means that if you click the link, make a purchase of that item, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance. Until next time, thank you for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.